Hello, everyone! In the previous episode, we used a simple prompt to create an AI voice agent for customer support using Plivo. In this video, we'll make use of Plivo's knowledge base to upload all your brand documents or sync your website, which the agent reads and familiarizes itself with to respond to user queries. Head over to AI Studio, click on Knowledge Base, click New, then start by giving your knowledge base a name and select the agent you have created. Next, it's time to choose your data sources. You can let your AI agent answer by pulling information from either a file, a website, or by syncing data from an application. Under Import from File, you can upload your FAQs, brand policy documents, help articles, and more. Our knowledge base supports multiple file formats. Go ahead and upload your documents specific to your brand. Under Sync from Website, add your website link. You can choose to scan the entire site or select specific pages. Set a limit for how many pages to scan and define the depth, which indicates how many levels of subpages you want to go to. Click Crawl, and the AI agent automatically fetches the relevant web pages. You can also include or exclude certain paths as you wish. It will then use these pages and subpages to respond to your customers automatically. Under Additional Settings, you can choose whether or not to include images or YouTube videos. You can also configure how often your website data should sync with the knowledge base, for example, every few weeks, months, etc. Under Sync from Applications, you can connect tools like Confluence, Intercom, Notion, Zendesk, and more. The AI agent will now fetch data from this tool to provide users with real-time responses. To confirm that the setup is complete, head over to your agent flow, open Settings, and confirm that your knowledge base is connected. Alternatively, if you've already created your knowledge base, just head to your agent flow, click on Vibe Agent, and tell it to add your knowledge base. Select the one you've built, and you are set. You can now test the agent on the playground. Or you can call it directly and ask a few questions.
Hey, what's Zenith's return policy if I want to send back an unopened item?
We at Zenith accept returns for most new unopened items within 30 days of delivery. Just make sure they're in their original packaging.
Okay, if my product stops working after that 30-day return window, does the warranty still cover repairs?
Yes, it might. Our products come with a limited warranty that covers defects or malfunctions beyond the return period. We'll verify the warranty terms and keep you updated.
Hyper-personalize your AI voice agent by giving it your brand knowledge. Check out the next video on how you can connect external tools like HubSpot, Gmail, Shopify, Zendesk, and more to your AI agent to pull and push relevant information.